Hey coders and tech enthusiasts, today we're checking out Qodo AI, a platform that's been buzzing in 2025 as a powerful AI assistant for developers. If you're tired of debugging for hours or just want to speed up your coding workflow, this might be the tool for you. Let's dive into what Qodo AI offers, its pros and cons, and whether it's worth your time. First, the good stuff. Qodo AI, available at qodo.ai, is designed
to help developers write, review, and optimize code faster. It supports multiple programming languages, including Python, JavaScript, and Java, making it versatile for different projects. One of its standout features is the AI-powered code review, which catches errors and suggests improvements in real time, a huge time saver. The interface is clean and intuitive, with seamless integration into popular IDEs like VS Code. Plus, the AI agents can generate boilerplate code, debug complex issues, and even explain code snippets in plain English, which is great for learning. Now, the drawbacks. While Qodo AI is powerful, it's not perfect. The free tier is limited, and you'll need a subscription to unlock advanced features like priority support and larger project handling. Qodo AI offers 3 pricing plans. Developer free 250 credits month. Includes Qodo Merge, limited to 75 PRs month. Qodo Command Alpha version. Qodo Gen JetBrains verse code integration with auto-testing code review documentation. Generation Qodo Merge issue tracking best practices analysis month 2500 credits, adds enhanced Qodo Merge issue tracking best practices analysis private support and optional SSO, additional cost enterprise 45 user month, provides full platform access with priority. Starting out. Overall, Qodo AI is a solid tool for boosting productivity, but it's best used as a supplement to your skills, not a replacement. If you found this review helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech insights. Have you tried Qodo AI? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.